everyone, we have finally arrived in Vienna. Want to see what we're getting up to today? Stick around till the end, guys. Oh my god, is that chips, Izzy?
Can we have
Abby, did you see? Dance. Good. Did you see that? The Ferris wheel? Ooh, there's a lot of lights inside. Must be nice actually at night. Wintermarkt.
snow in Austria?
I don't know actually. Okay, so we are here at the Wintermarkt. So this is like a market with food stalls, Ferris wheel, and what else? I guess we'll find out because this is our first time as well coming here. And there is also, what is that, Izzy? Oh, merry-go-round, yes. I'm hoping to see more food stalls here. I reckon this place would be really nice at night. Yeah?
There are reindeers.
Oh, really?
Instead of the horses.
Oh, really?
But the reindeers are so tiny.
Oh, really? I haven't seen the reindeer yet, darling.
And reindeer.
On the left. This is like a mini Disneyland.
Mommy, look at the reindeer.
There. Oh, yes. That's right. Ooh, ice cream. I don't think I want to have ice cream though in this weather. Let's have a look what they have. Kiddos. Yeah, it is ice cream. Okay, so we are going on our first ride, guys. Mommy also want to go on a tall one. Oh, it looks like I'm not getting any tall one here. Am I getting the...
Mommy, there are some there.
Yeah, but that's too far from all of you.
It's fine.
Okay. Huh? Yeah, I want. Going to try this, guys. Baumkuchen or chimney cake. Yeah. It looks really nice. She's practicing her roller skate here. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Kiddos?
Look at this.
See, it's already cinnamon anyway, I think, from outside. Can I see what it looks like? Oh, check this out, guys. This is called chimney cake or Baumkuchen. Yeah. Look. Oh, it's
Wait, can I?
hollow. And it's covered, it's actually already cinnamon based, you know? So luckily we didn't have another cinnamon. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like from inside. It's like cinnamon donut, but it's super crispy from outside, warm and soft from inside. We chose the Nutella one. This place. What? What?
How cool that ride is.
Oh my god. This place has the Disneyland vibes. Look at this. That's my favorite one.
You want to go on it?
No way, it's so cold like this. And it's so fast. Yeah. Oh, there's another one there, kids. The tower, that tower there. Look.
The last one.
This is getting a hot drink, guys.
You want to take again?
So this one here is the hot gin with apple cider, is it?
Apple
Punch. Sorry, hot gin with apple punch, and that one is
The mulled wine.
mulled wine. I love my gin. Tastes so good. Kids are waiting there. They want to actually go into the roller coaster. We are queuing up now to go to the Ferris wheel. We bought the ticket already from the cook. Yes, I can't wait to go up there, and hopefully we can see all the lights. Guys, so we just got in. We didn't have to wait. It moves. Yeah, sebentar. This one first, darling. Mana sayang? What's moving?
You have to wait. You just have to be patient.
Okay. This sayang?
I told you.
Oh yeah, it's moving. Yes. It's okay, that one is way too long. Come on. Oh yes, it's moving.
That map was just moving. I know, I saw.
Alright, so they have these display windows with the shape of the Ferris wheel capsules.
I just realized they're in the Ferris wheel carts.
Oh yeah, I know that. I saw that. Remember, this is like the one in Korea, in that museum.
Mommy, look at the Ferris.
Oh wow, that's not fair. Yes,
Does the Ferris wheel move? That looks so good.
yeah, there's quite a few guys. Where? Oh, bagus ya. Oh yes.
That's the thing.
That's very nice. Sisi, look at this. Sisi, the lights are. Ini juga bagus ya. That's
That's
that
the
one.
ride.
You're right.
That's the ride.
Uh-huh.
Go spinning around.
This is the one that has
Look at the ride.
Oh yeah. Abby, look at here. This is the scary one here. There is the lights coming up before. This is the one, yeah?
That's the Ferris wheel.
Oh, you know what? This is yes. This is like an abandoned. Is this like a graveyard? Huh? It's like a graveyard.
No, this is during the World War. Second World War.
Kids, come on. Abigail. Oh, good. I'm so excited.
I want to be at the front. We're all going to be at the front.
Will she be brave enough if you just go in there?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's gonna go up there, you know, right? It's gonna go up to.
Go upside down.
Which side are we sitting? Which side are we sitting?
I don't know actually.
Because both sides will get a drink.
Yeah, I know.
We're going in this one.
Maybe that side?
Or maybe.
I don't know.
Oh, we're going in this one.
Okay, that's side.
What number is this? It doesn't say. This one number 11. No, it's number 10 because it goes. It's even number. Yeah.
What number is it?
Hmm?
I don't know.
So which side we going? Which side? That side? Abby.
That's number 10.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Go, darling. Oh, I think there's someone going there, Sissy. Oh, look. Yeah, I think you have to pay extra for that. You saw that? It's moving now, guys, but very slow. It's a video. Kenapa? That's very quick.
Well, actually, it wasn't that quick.
Really?
Thanks for watching, guys. We're going back to the hotel now. We still have a lot of videos from our holiday, so stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.